Hey Lighthouse kids! This week we're looking at Psalm 66 verses 1 to 9. The writer of this psalm talks about how God answered prayers and so they rejoiced in him. And so the beginning of this psalm goes, "Make a joyful noise to God, all the earth. Sing the glory of his name. Give to him glorious praise." You know, sometimes when I think about God and I put on worship music, and sometimes I like to put it on pretty loud, it fills me up and I just have to get up and jump and dance and sing. And that's because I think about all the things that God has done in my life. I think about how he's answered my prayers and how he's loved me through it all. And so I'm just so grateful that it comes out that way. So we encourage you to continue walking with God, to pray to him and to listen to him and to see all the ways that he works in your life. And you can dance and shout and sing and make a joyful noise to God.